Hello everyone. Our today's topic is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers is similar to the multiplication of fractions. Thus, product of two rational number is equals to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators, where n stands for numerator here and d stands for the denominator. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a multiplied by c upon b multiplied by d is the result. Let us take an example. Multiply 5 by 24 n minus 6. 5 by 24 multiplication sign minus 6 upon 1. If there is no denominator, we write 1 in the denominator place. We multiply the numerators by the numerator. 5 multiplied by minus 6 upon 24 multiplied by 1. The product is minus 30 upon 24. We simplify it by the common factor 6 minus 5 upon. So minus 5 upon 4 is the result. Finally, we convert this into the mixed number. Minus 1 is to 1 by 4 is the answer. Let us take another example. Multiply minus 6 upon 11 and 22 by minus 9. We write in this form and we find out the common factors like 11 1 times and 11 2 times. Cut 22. 3 2 times gives us 6. 3 times gives us 9. So here only we can simplify it instead of multiplying 6 and 22 here. The remaining numbers minus 2 and 2 in the numerator we will multiply, and the denominator 1 and minus 3 we will multiply in the denominator place. Our final result is minus 4 upon minus 3, where minus 3 and minus 4, their minus sign will be cancelled. It will become 4 by 3, and finally we write our answer as 1 is to 1 by 3. Let's take another example. If the given numbers are in the mixed number form, then how to multiply them? We first convert them into the p by q form. Here minus 24 by 7 is p by q form of this number, and 35 by 6 is p by q form of this number. We then divide the common factors by taking the common factors of numerators and denominators. 7 1 times gives 7, 7 5 times gives 35, 6 1 times gives 6, 6 4 times gives 24. So the remaining numbers we write here minus 4 into 5. Denominator as there is 1, we need not to write it down. So final answer is 20 with minus sign. Let us take one more example. We simplify 4 by 5 plus 2 by 25 multiplied by 5 upon 8 plus minus 1 by 2. We know how to solve the plus problem, plus rational number. We take the LCM, it is 25, and by solving them like 5 times gives 25, and 25 1 times gives 25. So 5 4s are 20 and 2 1 times 2. Finally we add them, it is 22 upon 25, and here we solve it taking the LCM 8, and further we multiply it like this. 2 4 times gives us 8, and 8 1 times gives 8. So 5 ones are 5, and 4 1 times minus 4 here. After simplifying this, we can see that 8 and 22 have a common factor 2. 2 4 times 8 and 2 1 1. 11 times 22. So the remaining numbers in the numerator and denominator we write them in their places and multiply. Final result is 11 by 100. Next topic is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of rational number. Now if we have a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that a by b multiplied by c by d and their product is equals to 1, then each is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Thus we can say if p by q is a rational number, so its reciprocal is q by p, because their product is equals to 1, and we should see that p and q should not be equal to 0. Let us take few examples. What is the reciprocal of 1:3 by 4? 1:3 by 4 given in the mixed form. So first of all we have to convert this into the p by q form. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. Now we say what is the reciprocal of 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 7, because numerator place number comes in the denominator place and denominator number comes in the numerator place. They exchange their places. Also we can check this. We multiply them and we can see that their answer, their product is 1. Reciprocal of 5 by minus 7 is minus 7 by 5. Let us check. 5 by minus 7 into minus 7 by 5 equals to 1. Yes. Reciprocal of minus 2 by minus 3 is minus 3 by minus 2. We can check it here. Minus 2 by 3 with minus sign multiplied by minus 3 by minus 2. Their product will be 1. Reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. How? When we multiplied minus 1 and minus 1, we get the product as 1. Reciprocal of minus 6 is minus 1 by 6. We can check this. Minus 6 into minus 1 by 6 is equals to, when we cut them, we get the answer here as 1. What is the reciprocal of 0? 0's reciprocal doesn't exist. Why? Because we don't find a number which when multiplied by 0 gives us 1. So we don't find such number. Therefore, reciprocal of 0 doesn't exist. Next topic is division of rational numbers. We know that division is the inverse of multiplication. So, to divide a rational number by another rational number is same as multiplying the first number by the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of the second number. If we have a by b and c by d, two rational numbers, so how to divide them? We multiply the first rational number by the reciprocal of the second rational number. Here second rational number is c by d, so we write the reciprocal of it and then we multiply. Let us understand it through an example. Divide minus 5 by 13 by minus 3 by 4. You can see here we have changed the sign of division into the multiplication and we have written here the reciprocal of the second rational number. So minus 3 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by minus 3, which is written here. Now we follow the rules of multiplication. Simply we multiply the numerators and numerators, denominators and denominators, and we get the result here minus 20 by minus 39, where minus sign will be cancelled by the denominator's minus sign and it gives us positive 20 upon 39 positive. Take another example. Divide minus 25 by 39 by 15 by 26. Writing in the form of division. Now change the sign of division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor, we can say. And now find out if there is any common factor. Cut and cancel with them. Here 13 divides 39 3 times, 13 2 times 26, 5 3 times 15 and 5 times gives us 25. So the remaining numbers left are minus 5 and 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So we have written in their places and we get minus 10 by 9 as a result in the p by q form. But we change it into the mixed number. Answer is minus 1:1 by 9. Let's take another example. Divide minus 3 by 29 by 9 by 87. We write it in the form of division. Then minus 3 by 29 and change the sign of division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 87 by 9. We try to simplify it here by their common factors, like 3 1 times 3, 3 times 9, 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 3 9s 27, and we got this 87 by 3 here. Now 29 1 times 29 and 29 1 times 29. So we write the leftover parts in the down place. Numerator minus 1 into 1 and denominator 1 into 1. Final answer we get minus 1 upon 1, or simply we can write minus 1. Let's take the last example to understand. Simplify. 13 by 21 divided by 39 by 42, it is written in the bracket, multiplied by minus 3 by 5. We rewrite the question here. And now we know BODMAS rule. We simplify the bracket first. So following the division, how to solve the division, we have changed the sign of division here into the multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 39 by 42 is written here, 42 by 39, and we have simplified them, cutting by their common factors. Finally we get the result here, 1 by 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 3 by 5. And then we multiply all the numerators, and before we multiply this, we can find out if there is any common factor. Yes, 3 can cut by this 3. So we write now the final answer, 2 multiplied by 1, it gives us minus 2, and 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. So minus 2 by 5 is the final answer. So here we have understood in this topic, this module today, multiplication and division of the rational number. Thank you for watching.